Hello everybody, it's Jake Kazan of Universal Nissan, and I'm over here to remind you to please like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Universal Used Car Superstore. Try saying that 3 times in a row. So go ahead, for my effort, like and subscribe our channel. Come down and visit us at 12785 South Orange Blossom Trail.